Get ready to bring a touch of the outdoors and with these 10 stunning indoor plants that are incredibly easy to grow. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a beginner looking to add some greenery to your home, these low-maintenance beauties will thrive even in less than ideal conditions. So grab your gardening gloves, get ready to turn any corner into a thriving oasis. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is known for its upright sword-like leaves that come in various shades of green, yellow and even red. Its hardiness is legendary, with the ability to tolerate low light conditions and infrequent watering. This makes it an ideal choice for beginners or those who tend to forget to water their plants. The snake plant's resilience is attributed to its succulent-like qualities, allowing it to store water in its leaves and stems. With proper care, these plants can grow several feet tall and wide, making a bold statement in any room. Number 2. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is a highly sought-after indoor plant for its glossy, dark green leaves and remarkable adaptability. It can thrive in a wide range of lighting conditions, from bright indirect light to low-light areas. The ZZ plant's growth habit is compact, making it perfect for smaller spaces or areas with limited natural light. This slow-growing plant only needs to be watered when the soil is completely dry, which means it can go for extended periods without watering. The ZZ plant's resilience and ease of care make it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced plant parents. Number 3. Peace lily. The peace lily is prized for its elegant white flowers that resemble flags or feathers, giving it a touch of sophistication. These plants prefer low to medium light conditions and can tolerate a variety of humidity levels, making them suitable for most indoor environments. Peace lily are known for their air purify qualities, helping to remove toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene from the air. When it comes to watering, they prefer a slightly moist but not soggy soil, making them a great choice for beginners. Their dramatic foliage adds a touch of drama and tranquility to any space. Number 4. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant is aptly named due to its exceptional hardiness and tolerance for various environmental conditions. It can withstand low light, infrequent watering and temperature fluctuations, making it perfect for those who want a low-maintenance indoor plant. The cast iron plant features glossy, dark green leaves that can add a touch of sophistication to any room. While it prefers bright indirect light, it can adapt to lower light conditions, making it ideal for areas with limited natural light. This slow-growing plant only needs to be watered when the soil is dry, preventing overwatering and making it user-friendly for beginners. Number 5. Prayer plant. The prayer plant is a unique and beautiful addition to any indoor garden with its distinctive leaves that fold up at night as if in prayer. These plants come in a variety of colors and patterns, including red, pink and purple, making a striking statement. Prayer plants prefer bright, indirect light and moderate to high humidity levels, making them ideal for areas near windows or bathrooms. While they do require regular watering, they also don't like to sit in soggy soil, making it important to have proper drainage. With proper care, prayer plants can bring a touch of whimsy and wonder to your home. Number 6. Chinese evergreen. The Chinese evergreen is highly sought after for its stunning foliage that comes in a range of colors and patterns, including red, silver and gold. These plants are incredibly low maintenance and can tolerate a variety of lighting conditions, making them perfect for various indoor settings. Chinese evergreens prefer moderate to bright indirect light and can adapt to low light conditions, although their growth may be slower. They are relatively drought tolerant, making them suitable for beginners or those who tend to forget to water their plants. Their resilience and adaptability make them an excellent choice for adding a touch of the tropics to any home. Number 7. Pothos. Pothos is renowned for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves that add a touch of elegance to any indoor space. This plant comes in various colors, including green, golden and marble queen, which features stunning variegation. Pothos is incredibly easy to grow and can tolerate low to bright indirect light, making it perfect for areas with limited natural light. It's also very forgiving if you forget to water it occasionally. Pothos can help purify the air by removing toxins such as formaldehyde and carbon monoxide, making it a great choice for creating a healthier indoor environment. Number 8. Spider plant. The spider plant is loved for its arching foliage and spider-like flower stalks that add a touch of whimsy to any room. These plants are highly adaptable and can tolerate a variety of lighting conditions, making them perfect for various indoor settings. Spider plants prefer bright, indirect light, but can adapt to lower light conditions. They are also relatively easy to propagate, making it simple to create new plants from the plant spinnerets or baby plants that grow on arching stalks. With proper care, spider plants can thrive and bring a touch of charm to your home. Number 9. Rubber plant. The rubber plant is a statement piece for its large, glossy leaves that come in various shades of green, red and purple. These plants prefer bright indirect light and moderate to high humidity levels, making them ideal for areas near windows or bathrooms. While rubber plants can tolerate some drought, they also don't like to sit in soggy soil, so it's essential to have proper drainage. With proper care, rubber plants can grow into beautiful, lush indoor trees, bringing a touch of the outdoors in. Number 10. Bird's nest fern. The bird's nest fern is a striking indoor plant with its unique, textured fronds that form a nest-like shape. These ferns prefer low to medium light conditions and high humidity levels, making them perfect for areas away from direct sunlight, such as bathrooms or bedrooms. Bird's nest ferns appreciate a well-watered soil that retains moisture but isn't soggy. They can be challenging for beginners due to their sensitivity to overwatering and underwatering. With proper care, these ferns can thrive and add a touch of the tropics to any home. And there you have it, 10 stunning indoor plants that bring beauty and life to your home while being incredibly easy to grow. Whether you're drawn to their vibrant colors, unique textures, or air purify qualities, these plants are sure to impress. So why wait? Add a touch of nature's elegance to your living space and enjoy the countless benefits of indoor plants today.